హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు లెర్న్ విత్ ట్రిక్స్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. రీసెంట్గా 21/9/2020 జరిగిన ఇంజనీరింగ్ అసిస్టెంట్ ఎగ్జామ్ యొక్క ఆన్సర్ కీని చూద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు ద అడిషన్ ఆఫ్ lead, sulfur and phosphorus to low carbon steels helps to. Answer is all of these. Reduce built-up edge, break up chips, improve machinability. 52. A right circular cone resting on horizontal plane on its base is cut by a section plane parallel to horizontal plane bisecting its axis. The true shape of the section is parabola, friends. 53. The device used to measure the fluid pressure is manometer. 54. These are vertical distances above a common datum, reference plane or point. Elevations is the answer. 55 చూద్దాం. 55 ఆన్సర్ లేదు ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఎవరైనా తెలిస్తే కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో పెట్టండి. How can relatively denser object be made to float on the less dense fluid? Answer is by alternating the shape. 57. A draft tube is used with. Answer is reaction turbine. 58. When several contours coincide, it indicates. Answer is a vertical cliff. 59. A soft grade grinding wheels are denoted by the letters. Answer is A to H. 60th question. The imaginary line drawn in the fluid in such a way that the tangent to any point gives the direction of motion at the point is called path line. Centrifugal pumps are used to transport fluid. Strain is defined as the ratio of all of the above options, friends. Option 4. 63. Which of the following statement is true? Option first. A scalar is an physical quantity that can be completely specified by its magnitude. అదే వెక్టర్ అయితే మ్యాగ్నిట్యూడ్ అండ్ డైరెక్షన్ వస్తుంది. బెర్నౌలీస్ ఈక్వేషన్ కెనాట్ బి అప్లైడ్ వెన్ ద ఫ్లో ఈజ్ టర్బులెంట్. టర్బులెంట్ ఫ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు బెర్నౌలీస్ ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది అప్లై అవ్వదు. వాట్ డస్ ఆర్సీసీ స్టాండ్స్ ఫర్ రెయిన్ఫోర్స్డ్ సిమెంట్ కాంక్రీట్. ఇది చాలామంది రెయిన్ఫోర్స్డ్ కాంక్రీట్ సిమెంట్ కాంక్రీట్ అని కన్ఫ్యూజ్ పడతారు, కానీ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ రెయిన్ఫోర్స్డ్ సిమెంట్ కాంక్రీట్. This type of solid has a polygon for a base and triangular lateral face that intersect at a vertex. Answer is pyramid. The rate of doing work is known as. Answer is power. The normal stress is same in all directions at a point in a fluid. Answer is, sorry friends, answer is third option అది. when there is no motion of one fluid layer relative to an adjacent layer. In a singly reinforced beam, the effective depth is measured from its compression edge to. Answer is ఒకవేళ తెలిస్తే కామెంట్ చేయండి ఫ్రెండ్స్. I think neutral axis of the beam. Cold working of steel is defined as working below its recrystallization temperature. 71. A body of mass m moving with a constant velocity v strikes another body of same mass moving with same velocity but in opposite direction. The common velocity of both the bodies after collision is. Answer is 0. ఇది కరెక్ట్గా తెలియదు ఫ్రెండ్స్. 0 అవ్వచ్చు లేదా 2v అవ్వచ్చు. అంటే v ప్లస్ v అయితే 2v అవుతుంది, v మైనస్ v అయితే ఒకవేళ 0 అవుతుంది. According to Archimedes' principle, if a body is immersed partially or full in a fluid, then the buoyancy force is equal to the weight of fluid displaced by the body. '73. The following is not included in title block of drawing sheet. Answer 3. Method of projection. A single point tool has rake angle, For two vectors A and B, what is AB if they have angle alpha between them? AB cos alpha. ఇది కూడా డౌట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నాకు తెలిసి ఏబీ కాస్ ఆల్ఫా ఆన్సర్. 76. సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ percussion is point of suspension. If the streamlines of the particles in a flow are parallel to each other, what type of flow can it be? Answer is uniform flow. Reaction turbines are used for low head and high discharge. This is a line terminated by arrowheads indicating the direction and extent of dimension. Answer is dimension line. A simple circular curve is designated by the angle subtended at the center by chord of particular length. Reciprocating pump is a positive displacement pump. The point of contraflexor is a point where answer is bending moment changes sign. A grinding wheel is said to be of dash if the abrasive grains can be easily dislodged. Answer is soft grade. The slope on the road surface generally provided on the curves is known as angle of banking. Centrifugal pump is a turbo machinery. Answer is first. 86th question. Shear stress in static fluid is always 0 friends. Answer is option 1, always 0. Francis turbine is, ఈ ఆప్షన్ తెలియదు ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఒకసారి మీకు ఎవరైనా తెలిస్తే కామెంట్ రూపంలో తెలియజేయండి. ఆప్షన్ 88. Maximum shear stress in a triangular section ABC of height h and base b occurs at h/3. The periodic time t is given by omega equal to angular velocity of particle in radian per second. Answer is 2 pi by omega. 90th question. Initial flow occurring in a pipeline when a valve is being opened suddenly is. Answer is unsteady. Next bit. Fluid is a substance that answer is cannot be subject to shear force. 92. Continuous chips with built-up edges are formed during machining of ductile materials. 93. The coefficient of friction depends upon. Answer is nature of surfaces. 94. The viscous force opposes the relative motion between the adjacent layers of a fluid in motion. 95. Which of the following centrifugal pumps has higher specific speed than the others? Answer is axial flow. The abrasive slurry used in ultrasonic machining contains fine particles of. Answer is all of the above options. It contains aluminum oxide, boron carbide and silicon carbide. 97. The energy absorbed in a body when it is strained within the elastic limits is known as strain energy. Answer is strain energy. Which equation must be satisfied while dealing with fluid flow problems? Answer is continuity equation. Pitot tube is used for measurement of flow. Gear lapping is an operation after heat treatment. Next bit. The point through which the whole weight of the body acts irrespective of its position is known as center of gravity. 102. If three forces acting in one plane upon a rigid body keep it in equilibrium, then they must either, all of the above is correct, meet in a point, be all parallel, at least two of them must meet. 103. The continuity equation is connected with. Answer is conservation of mass. 104. The capacity of telescope of producing a sharp image is called definition. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్. రిమైనింగ్ బిట్స్ అనేవి నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో చేయడం జరుగుతుంది, ఎందుకంటే లెంత్ ఎక్కువ అయిపోతుంది. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫ్రెండ్స్.